Getting started with your Oral-B IO Series 2 is simple when you follow the right order. First, place the handle on the magnetic charging base and plug it into a wall outlet. Let it charge for about 3 hours before the first use to ensure optimal battery performance. While it's charging, download the Oral-B app on your iOS or Android device. Once charged, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Open the app and tap Add New Toothbrush. To enter pairing mode, hold the power button again for about 3 seconds until the LED ring flashes blue. Keep your phone nearby and follow the on-screen steps to complete Bluetooth setup. After pairing, create your profile and choose brushing preferences to personalize your experience. The IO Series 2 includes 3 cleaning modes: Daily Clean for standard 2-minute brushing, Sensitive for gentler care, and Gum Care for extended attention. The built-in 2-minute timer and 30-second quadrant pacer guide you evenly around your mouth. The smart pressure sensor lights up to help you avoid brushing too hard. Combined with app tracking, you'll get real-time feedback and long-term progress insights.